Welcome to today's episode. Today I'll be talking about how to train your chest. So chest training, alright. Most people want to train their chest because they want to look like Captain America, they want to look like Thor, they want to look like Daredevil, or they want to look like Superman. So the thing is that chest, there's a aesthetically pleasing look. When you train it, you have a very nice developed chest, you feel good wearing a shirt, you feel good wearing to the beach. But besides that, chest, when you are training it stronger, it actually helps you to improve your posture. Oh, how so? Because when your chest is stronger, it can hold your shoulder in place in this manner. Here, you'll be able to stay upright, and also it will stop your shoulders from rounding. So when your chest is stronger, it also means that your back is stronger, because your chest and your back are synergistic muscle. So they are like important things that work in synergy. So a stronger chest means a stronger back. So when you have a stronger chest and stronger back, your posture will be upright. And also it will help you to reduce your neck pain. So this is why I encourage you to train your chest. Be it if you are a lady, be it if you are a guy, do train your chest. So for ladies, maybe you don't want to be training it too much volume, so you don't have to do like 4 to 5 sets. You can do it for about 3 sets, 8 reps. So if you're a guy, you could do maybe about 4 sets, 8 reps, or you can even try to do 10 reps. So I would suggest you to try the exercises that I've shared with you to do. So for example, I have shown you 4 exercises today. The first one is actually an incline chest press for the upper part of your chest. Second exercise is sternal press, dumbbell for the middle part of your chest. Third exercise is sternal cable press for the middle part of your chest. Last one is a COSTAL cable press for the lower part of your chest. So generally your chest is divided into 3 sections, kind of like a cake. 1, 2, 3. So you will want to be able to train every single part of it, because there's a benefit for getting it stronger. So stay tuned to find out more about exercises. So this is an adjustable bench. Most of the gyms would have one of these, and it's a very versatile equipment that you can use, be it if you have one at home, you have whatever you have at a gym. The only differences is that the bench has different angles. So as we notice, there's a lot of holes there at the bottom part. So the holes allow you to change the different alignments or angles in the gym when you're using it. But however, some of them have more holes or lesser holes. So you just need to take note whichever one you're using. So as you can see here, I'm doing the incline clavicular dumbbell press. It's to train the topmost part of my chest. And I'm really controlling it up and down. When you're training your chest, you want to be controlling the dumbbell. I usually like to do dumbbells because they have a better range of motion, and also I feel that it's more complete than doing a barbell. So you will want to really try to slow it down, resist it, then drive the weight up. Don't jerk. So for the sternal dumbbell press, it's actually relatively similar to the incline dumbbell press that I just did. Only difference is the bench angle, and it hits this middle part of my chest, which is one of the main mass builders to get your chest big. So you want to really focus and go even heavier on this, because it's easier for you to do this heavier rather than the incline one. Incline one is usually more challenging for you. Same thing applies, keep the form tight, control it up and down. So this cable machine here, very commonly seen in most gyms. However, this one here, this Cybex cross cable jungle, it's a little bit special because you can see in the center there's a red color pad, which you can use it to brace. Most of the cable jungles in the gyms do not have this, so this is one of the rarer pieces to see in Singapore here. I usually like to use this for shoulder, chest, tricep, bicep. You can even do glutes if you want for this machine. So as you can see here, I'm doing a sternal dumbbell press. My chest, I'm trying to focus is on the middle part, and I'm pushing the weight up from a little bit lower to higher, and I'm keeping my body very stable while I'm doing it. So this is a costal cable flies. It's to train the lowermost portion of your pec and to give it that nice wide outline. Same time, you want to control it up and down to keep it stable and squeeze it. So thanks for watching today's episode for the chest training. Like, share, comment if you find it useful, you feel that I have given you some valuable content for you to try and start working out. So I'm actually opening up personal training slots in town. So if you're based in Bugis or Farrer Park, you want to get fitter, you want to get stronger in 2022, drop me a comment, send me an email on kairaderek@gmail.com, alright, or message me on Instagram, kairaderekfitness, and let me know, and I'll arrange a consultation with you to find out how can I help you better. Also, comment on future content you want to see. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Take care and train hard.